Good morning from Curaçao. I happened to wake up a bit earlier than Linda this morning, so I decided to let her sleep in and sneak out for a quick morning swim. I could definitely get used to a routine like this. Soft sand, crystal clear blue water, and the sun is already shining. What more could you ask for? Well, I suppose someone to share it with. Luckily, my better half was awake by the time I got back, so I walked right into a freshly made breakfast. After breakfast, we took a short walk over to Mambo Boulevard to hunt for some new swim goggles. Once we were packed up, we hit the road to explore some brand new beaches, this time together. Ready to go? Today's drive was a short one, just 16 kilometers from our hotel to reach our first destination, Boka Sami. It's a peaceful little fishing village, and the beach has a wonderful, authentic local vibe. It wasn't very busy when we arrived, so finding a parking spot was easy, though I could see parking becoming a bit of a challenge if a big crowd showed up at the same time. This time around, a massive cargo ship gave us a pretty unique view from the shore. Large ships and even drilling platforms often use the waters right outside Boka Sami for offshore maintenance and inspections. So next time you visit, there might be something completely different sitting on the horizon.
Bye.
You can actually reach our next destination by walking a trail from here. We saw a couple heading out on foot, but we weren't really prepared for a hike today. So we opted for the easy route. Quick 10 minutes drive to the next beach. By the way, these brain-like structures you'll probably encounter while snorkeling in Curaçao are called brain corals. They come in all sizes and can grow up to 2 meters wide. While they aren't dangerous to you, you are very dangerous to them. Single human touch can cause fatal stress and deadly infections to these animals. So be sure to keep your hands to yourself. Honestly, that goes for pretty much everything you encounter on a coral reef. Enjoy the view, but don't touch. After a quick swim, we kept our second beach visit a bit short and took the drive back to the hotel. We didn't plan on spending the rest of the day in our room though. As soon as we changed into fresh clothes, we headed right back to Mambo Boulevard to grab dinner and enjoy the evening views. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!